Okay, now the camera's working. Alright, we're back. Okay. I went to drain the gas tank, I had about 3 drops in it, so another reason I didn't want to start. Why is it out of fuel though? I didn't empty it. There's no way I used up that much fuel going on the track that I can possibly think of. So my only guess is they had it laying on the right side of the bike and it leaked out the vent I have up on the top. There's a hose coming out the top that's the vent, and it probably drained all out of that, I'm guessing. That'd be my guess. So much for that good high test fuel. Alright. Oh, that hurts. Damn, that hurts. Okay, we're going to start by working on this front end, getting it off of here, and making it go bye-bye. There's a lot of it. Let's see, the camera's in my way a little bit. Gotta be able to get to the door behind me. Oh, that fucking hurts. Oh yeah. Definitely can feel that. Okay, what's holding these things on? Turn signal's holding that on there, it looks like. Okay. Oh, it's bolted on this other corner still. Okay. Mark the terminals so we know which one goes where. Because the black wire does not go to the black wire. Tell me we get a lot done today. Let's hold this together now. There we go. Metric. Nope. There's a hole on top of the bracket for the Allen wrench to go down in the Allen. So unscrew the Allen bolt. It's nice. Kind of notchy though, but she's coming. I'm taking the turn signal off because the wire is attached to the turn signal, so pull apart easier. I think that's all that one. If not, more kettle wire. Obviously, spotlights are used. Everything those are all right. Just bad chrome. Yeah. There's no wire in there. Open the spotlight. Whew. Damn thing hurts. Get the spotlight apart. Thumb and wrist. More broken bones. They're not happy. What the hell's going on here? Tired. Oh. Come on. That thing long enough to come off of there. There it goes. There we are. And there's the quick disconnect, but that doesn't have to get it off. That figures. Ow. It's hard to do. Waste of time that was. There, that was quicker. Okay, spotlights are off. Oh. Ah. Ah. That's an Allen. It's loose on that side over there. Yeah. Oh. Oh, you feel that. Yeah, this is gonna hurt later. It hurts now. Okay. Ooh. There. More lights off. Oh, it's starting to look like a motorcycle again. Ah, that hurts. Ah. Man, I tighten these up good too. They're already loose. Who needs physical therapy? Oh. See, you have to do something. You force yourself more to do it than you would ever do without having to need to do something. So working on your bike is the best thing you can do. Oh. Oh. How about that bracket weigh? But it was hard. I think it was like 2 pounds. Let's see, that bolt ripped out. This bolt got loose. Oh, damn. Okay, all that stuff's free. Yeah, cover should be free over there. Whew. That bottomed out against something up there. Frame. These are thicker than Harley. They still break. Yeah, they still do break. Alright. Ooh. I see my travel indicator was bottomed out. Oh, that hurts. This is my travel indicator. It moved that far, 2 inches. And all that bouncing around. Of course, it was bouncing on this side, not the other side, so who knows how much bouncing it was really doing against the fork. Alright, I need a rest break. We'll be back.